Okay, so we are starting from what say the our simple alkane molecule. Okay, alkane chain. So the first molecule is nothing but said to be the CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So it is nothing but simple N-butane molecule. Okay, and their peaks are nothing but said to be say 58. So it should be the M. Okay, what is the M? M is nothing but the molecular peak. We already explained. In case of say the mass spectrum, we saw say the highest M by peak is nothing but said to be the M. Okay, and the highest intense peak is nothing but said to be the base peak. Okay, so this is what say the molecular peak. Obviously this is second. 43 is nothing but said to be, I may write down BP. BP means what? Base peak. Yes, correct. This is third is nothing but 29 and 15. Okay, so these are nothing but said to be the peaks shown by this molecule in the mass spectrum. We have to explain, okay, theoretically how this molecule can show say such type of peak. Okay, so we're going to start this. So this is nothing but said to the first step is nothing but, so this is what say I may write down like this. So this is nothing but said to be the butane molecule. So when this molecule is bombarded by means of what say the electron beam, I may write down only electron. Okay, so the electron beam which having so what say the 50 to 17 electron volt. Okay, so when it bombard, so obviously they having what said to be the sigma bond. So obviously sigma electrons will be present over here. So we will going to, you can say that, eliminate this. So this is nothing but said to be, I may write down like this. So this is what said to be here. I may write down the radical cation. Okay, radical cation. So this is nothing but said to be the one method where say the radical cation can be shown. Another method is nothing but we directly eject the electron from this, and here we are going to write down what the radical and cation. So this is nothing but said to be the method. Okay, so we show over here. So obviously here the M is nothing but, so M is nothing but said to be the 58. Okay, 58. So obviously just roughly we will going to count it. Here is what 15 and 15, so it should be what say the 30, and here is 14 and 14, so obviously 28. So 28 plus 30 is nothing but said to be the 58. So the 58 is nothing but the molecular weight of this molecule. Obviously when we eject one electron, it should be the radical cation. So obviously it is cation, so that's why it can be, you can say that say goes to the detector and appears in the mass spectrum. So that's why here the molecular peak, so that will be called as what say the M plus, it should be appeared at what say the 58. See over here, this is nothing but said to be the M, which is what say the 58. So their molecular peak will be appeared at the 58, which having the same molecular weight as that of what say our say the molecule. Okay, the next is nothing but said to be the 43. So just by just by calculations we have to find out that which part will going to eliminate, and we got what say the 48. So obviously see, when we suppose say such type of molecule, so we are able to say you can say that disconnect any, you can say that the CH3. Suppose if we say minus say the 13 from it, 13 not 15. Okay, what 15? Because CH3 is having the 15 molecular weight. See, you already understand that, and you can say that keep that thing in your mind. The CH3 is having the 15. Okay, CH2 is having what say the 14, then CH is having the 13. Okay, then CH2 is having 28. So these are nothing but said to be molecular weight. We have to, we can say that just memorize that. Okay, so suppose this is nothing but the 58, and suppose we are going to eliminate the 15. Okay, why 15? Because the CH3. So 15 will going to eliminate. So what we got? We got what say the 43. Okay, 43 we got. So here we are going to eliminate this. Okay, so when we eliminate this, so what we got? We got what such type of species like this. So this is nothing but said to be, when we eliminate that, so this is nothing but said to be the radical, or simply what we suppose if we do what say the heterolysis. Okay, heterolysis. So obviously we got that. Okay, when we do what say the heterolysis, so okay, so when we do what say the heterolysis, so obviously which part we got? Suppose say this is nothing but said to be say the positive charge, and this one is nothing but said to be the radical. So obviously we got what say this one. So here is nothing but the positive charge, plus here is nothing but said to be the CH3 radical. So obviously this is what say the positive part, which can be detected in the mass spectrum. So here the M by E. Okay, the M by E is nothing but said to be the I may write down over here. Here is nothing but said to be the 43. okay, and which is nothing but our base peak. So why it is nothing but the base peak, I will tell you. See, what in organic chemistry we always talk about what, say, the stability of the molecule. Okay, so the stability means what, this is what, say, the carbocation which is a primary carbocation, but there is a scope. Suppose, say, you can I'll show you. Suppose this is nothing but the hydrogen present over here, okay, here. So that hydrogen, suppose say migrated from this carbon to that carbon, so this positive charge becomes what, say, primary to secondary, okay, and this is nothing but simply what, say, the rearrangement. So obviously whenever any molecule will try to achieve the stability, so such type of rearrangement will take place. So obviously here this peak is nothing but the base peak, means having the, it is nothing but the highest intense peak, okay, highest intense peak. So obviously it is much more stable. So that's why there much more molecules are created in the ionization chamber and stick at the detector, and that's why the intensity of this peak is maximum. So that why this is, because whatever, say, the base peak appear, so it is due to the more stable molecule, okay, and the concept, or say the reason behind the stability of this molecule is nothing but like this. So this molecule will be converted into what, this one. So it is nothing but the secondary carbocation, okay. So the primary carbocation will be say converted into the secondary, okay. You are not going to write down this into the paper, I will just show you the concept behind that, okay. Means why this peak is what the base peak, you must know the reason, because such type of examples are asked in said to be the set and net examination. So that's why such type of concepts are, say, must know, okay, must know, because mechanically you know what, say, how to do the fragmentation of any molecule, but behind, say, the concept behind them, so you must know that concept, because it will be asked in the set and net examination. One thing I will tell you, when I make some such video, so some of students they will going to think that this matter is say not much more important, so that's why they will going to saw, say, the next video, or you can say that they will going to just okay, forwarded that video, okay. So what happen, whatever, say, the matter important for any, you can say that any steps, any mechanism, any concepts, okay. So if the matter is not important, so I will not going to talk about it, okay. So those concept is you can say that the important, so I will just talk over it. So you carefully listen that, okay. Whatever the matter I will say you can say that contain, or you can say that I'll include it in this video, okay. So they are important for the sake of the set and net examination, okay. Sometimes the students they get just eliminate the matter, okay, means they itself decide that this matter is not much important, okay, but you don't know that, okay. So you carefully, say, you can say that understand about what each and every concept, because it will be helpful in your set and net examination, okay, after this. So obviously see here, when we, this is nothing but said to be the 43, okay, and why this peak is nothing but the base peak, because this is nothing but said to be say the secondary carbocation, which is नथिंग बट से आपण जसं म्हणतो की बा पडद्याच्या मागची बाजू आहे, तर तशी ही पडद्याच्या मागची बाजू आहे इथली, ओके. So here is nothing but said to be the positive charge. It is what, say, the primary carbocation. It will be converted into what is secondary, and secondary is more stable. So that's why this peak is nothing but said to be the base peak. Okay. So we will just talk about what this one. So this is what, say, the 43. Now we talk about what, say, the 29. So obviously what do you mean by 29? 29 is nothing but said to be the due to the CH3 CH2 म्हणजे 15 means what, say, the 15 and 14. So it should be the 29. Okay. So how to do that? You just have to suppose suppose when we do what, say, the heterolysis over here, so we already got this. So suppose if we do what, say, the heterolysis, so I may do what, say, the heterolysis, obviously. So when these two electrons will be opens over here, so obviously we got what, say, the CH3, then CH2, it should be positive charge plus see what, here there is a positive charge, 2 electrons goes over here. So obviously here what we got, here got CH2 radical. So obviously this one CH3 CH2 is nothing but M by E. It should be what, say, the 29. So this is nothing but said to be yeah, this one is nothing but written in, obviously these are what, say, the radicals. So we have to write down the symbol of the instability. so this is nothing but said to be the 29. Okay, and obviously the 15, so 15 is due to what, say the CH3. So how to do it? So just by just by doing, say here we can write down what the heterolysis. Okay, heterolysis. So obviously we do what, say the heterolysis again. Okay, so when we do what, say the heterolysis, here heterolysis, so obviously we got what we got only CH3 positive. Okay, and here plus is nothing but CH2 radical. So just by see, this is nothing but set to molecule. So first we will going to eliminate what's the 15, then 14, and then 14. So obviously we will got what's the 58, 48, and the M by E of this is nothing but set to be the 15. So in mass spectrometry, whatever the example you will going to say solve, so you just first observe the structure of that molecule, their parts. Okay, and you know that suppose this is what, say the 58. See what is the planning behind to solve such type of problem. This is what, say the 58, and next peak is nothing but said to be the 43. So obviously we have to think about how many units are you can say that we have to less from this. So we got what, say this 43. So obviously such type of molecule is there. So I may say that what you can eliminate what the 15. So you can eliminate 15 from 58. So we got what the 43. Again you can eliminate what, say the 14 you can eliminate, we got what the 29. Again you can eliminate what, say the 14, we got what, say the 15. So in this way we are going to say do the fragmentation of such type of molecule, and we got what, say the all peaks. Okay, so this is nothing but said to be the say the fragmentation of what, say the N-butane. I will just going to repeat it. Okay, this is what, say the 58. When we bombarded by means of the electron beam, so we got what the radical cation. Okay, so radical cation, it is having the same M by E as that of what, say the M. Then we eliminate what, say the CH3 by means of the heterolysis, or you do what, say the homolysis. Okay, so when we do what, say the homolysis, we got this one. Then we do what, say the heterolysis, we got what, this one. Then we again do the heterolysis, we got what, say this one. So this is all about what, say the fragmentation of, say the N-butane molecule. Now we consider our second example, which is nothing but said to be say CH3, and this is nothing but said to be CH3. So which is nothing but the tertiary butyl group. Okay, tertiary butyl group, which having what, say the peaks is nothing but 58 is nothing but the M. Okay, then next is nothing but the 43, obviously, which is what, say the base peak, and another is nothing but said to the 15. So this is nothing but said to be, say this example is somewhat what, say the similar as that of what, say our previous example, but there is a, say the different branching chain. Okay, so see how to do what, say the fragmentation of this molecule. So obviously we will take what, say like this. So this is what said to be the tertiary butyl molecule. So when we bombarded, say this molecule by means of, say the 50 to 17 electron volt energy. Okay, so what we got, I will show like this. So here is nothing but this one, and I may write down over here, say this is nothing but the positive, and this is what, say the radical. Okay, so here is what, say the CH3, I may write down like this. Okay, so this is what, say this is nothing but said to be the M by E. M is nothing but said to be obviously 15, 15, 15. So obviously, and this is nothing but said to be the 13. So here 15, 15, it is nothing but 13. Okay, 40 here 45 plus 10, here is what 55, and then say we have, say the hydrogen atoms over here. So obviously the molecular weight of this molecule is nothing but said to be the 58. समजा तुम्हाला अगर जमत नसेल तर ऑब्वियसली तुम्ही मराठीत पण करू शकता. Okay, or you can also do in sort, say the Hindi. Okay, so this is what, say the 15, 15 and 15. So 30, 30 here to 45, 45 plus what here say how many, 13 is there. So obviously, so the molecular weight is nothing but the 58. Okay, another is nothing but here. So when we say eliminate one electron, so the M plus is nothing but obviously it is 58, which is nothing but said to be the molecular peak. Okay, this one is what the molecular peak. So obviously what we got, the next peak, say that is nothing but said to be the base peak is nothing but the 43. We already know that when we eliminate what, say the 15 from this, So we got what say the 43. So here we do what say the hemihydrolysis. So what is hemihydrolysis? This electron will be goes over what say the CH3. So it should be called as what say the hemihydrolysis. I already told you what is hemihydrolysis. It is half of what say the hydrolysis. Okay, and we just write down over here minus CH3 radical, and what we got what such type of peak. So this is nothing but said to be the secondary said to be the carbocation, which is more stable. We already discussed in the previous example, and say the m by of this is nothing but said to be yes 43, which is what more stable because higher due to the higher stability of what say the secondary carbocation, which is what say the base peak. Then next step is nothing but said to be there is the elimination of what say the CH3. So when we do what say the heterolysis, okay, so when we do heterolysis, to CH3 will going to eliminate. Okay, CH3 will going to eliminate, and what we got what such type of peak, which is nothing but said to be the suppose if we do what say this they want what say the 15. So how to do it? So the answer of this question is nothing but you can say that by means of obviously here we want say the 15. Okay, so what we do, we will going to do like this. This one, this will going to opens over here. Okay, so they will going to eliminate such type of molecule, that is what CH3 CH2 radical. Okay, and what we got what is CH2 positive. Just I will going to explain this. See over here, this is what our basic molecule. We will going to eliminate one electron. So here suppose there is a 2 electrons, so one electron will going to ejected. So which electron we ejected? This one. Okay, so here we got positive charge, here is radical, means what is this electron. Okay, so we got what we do what say the hemihydrolysis, means this radical will goes over CH3, we will going to eliminate this. What we got what is secondary carbocation. So what we want